Following is going to be a quick how-to. Install an FM modulator to get yourself an auxiliary input in anything with a factory stereo. Today we'll be putting in a FM modulator in a factory stereo for a Nissan Maxima. An FM modulator is used for when or if you have a factory stereo and you just want to get an aux-in. You'll be able to use an FM modulator for that. This is an FM modulator. I bought it on sale at Radio Shack. So, what you'll do with the FM modulator, you will unplug your factory radio antenna, plug it into there, plug that guy back in its place, plug an aux-in into here, and then it'll take a power and a ground. And whatever you tune this to, where's our tuner? That switch there. You'll tune either to 88.3 or 88.7, and that takes over the radio station and will play your aux cable. Just makes it so basically it'll be the strongest radio signal that you could get. Will come in at, you know, like 88.3 or 88.7. You can play anything you plug into your aux cord, whether it's an iPod or your iPhone, or if you have one of those weird Samsung phones or whatever. So once you take the radio apart, you unplug the factory antenna, plug it into the FM modulator, and then you'll need another antenna adapter to plug back into the factory radio. You also need to run a 12-volt connection to power the unit. This one actually has a fancy little power plug on it. So, in our hideaway here, I've wired our power up inside that little compartment there. Also ran the aux cord in there as well. After running your 12-volt connection and fixing your antenna adapters, it's okay to go ahead and hook the radio up and give yourself a test listen. Make sure you turn your power switch on if your FM modulator does have power on. Always try to do this before you put everything back together to make sure that your ground is actually properly grounded. Sounds like tunes to me. Last thing to do is button up all your wires and put everything back together. Got a wire tie on there. Take my antenna. We'll tuck everything away nice and chill-like and put it all back together. Okay, I guess this is the part where I say if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for a bunch of random other videos. Thanks, bye.